Hello everyone, the topic for today is ratio and rate tables. Right now I want you to pause the video so that you can take your notes and then resume when you're ready. In order to fill out the table, we're going to use the information given to plug in the gaps here, here, and here. The information that we're using for this particular table comes from the ratios, rates, and unit rates foldable. So we had 15 lost marbles to 25 total marbles. This ratio simplified to 3 lost marbles to 5 total marbles. And we're going to use that information to help us fill out the rest of this table. Remember, whatever's done to the top must also be done to the bottom. So if we had a total of 9 lost marbles, we need to figure out how many total marbles there were. Well, in order to get from 3 to 9, we multiplied by 3. So if we multiply by the 3 on the top, we must also multiply by 3 on the bottom. So we are left with 15 total marbles. Go in the other direction. If we had a total of 35 marbles, and we're trying to figure out how many of those would be lost marbles, well, we have to look at the 35 compared to the 5. If we did 35 divided by 7 to get 5, well then whatever number goes here has to be, if it were divided by 7, we would get 3. Well, 7 times 3 is 21. Therefore, we have 21 lost marbles. We could use this same thought process to figure out how many lost marbles we would have if we had a total of 45 marbles. We divided 45 by 9 to get 5. So whatever number goes here to designate the number of lost marbles, we would have to divide by 9 to get 3. 3 times 9 gives us 27, so we have 27 lost marbles. Here's another example to help illustrate the point that I was making before. If someone travels or something travels 6 inches every 24 hours, then we can simplify that using the boxes in the middle of the table in order to make the numbers more familiar. Our goal is to figure out what number goes in that box. In order to figure that out, we can go about it a couple of different ways. We can simplify this ratio to get 1 to 4. And we can say, okay, well, 1 goes into 12 times. So that means that we have to multiply 4 by 12 to get the answer that goes in that box, which is 48. We could also say that since 6 goes into 12 2 times, that we could also take 24 and multiply it by 2 to get the number in the box, which again gives us 48. Using all of this information, I want you to figure out how many hours it would take this object to travel 30 inches, as well as how many inches it would travel in 16 hours. Bring those answers along with any questions that you may have with you to class tomorrow.